Ho, 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 ho. At it again, once again. You know what it is? It's the biggest, the dopest, the biggest, the dopest. This is the biggest, the dopest, the biggest, the dopest, biggest, the dopest, the freshest, the sickest, the illest. It's your boy El Fizzle. It's your boy El Fizzle. It's your boy El Fizzle. And we at it again. Once again, time and time again. It's the top 10 hottest music videos from all over the world. Wherever the turn up is, we take it, box it, and we bring it back right here in the country, the beautiful land of Swaziland. My name is Mangaliso, Masilela. I'll be with you for the next hour, making sure that it is an absolute turn up. So sit back. It's gonna be a great one. Let's go. Let me get down to her. Mandy.
I'm gonna get you for that one.
Performances galore, local, international, and right now I've got the perfect blend of both from South Africa and Swaziland. Boy Mosaic and the boy Kyle. How you guys doing?
Oh man, what's up? Excellent, awesome.
Lyrical boss up in the building. How's it going, man?
What's up, Belfort? It's the new school kid.
There it is. See, now I'm trying to say new age and new school at the same time. It's because I'm old school like that, man. So I don't know these things. I'm not on fleek. He's back and he's got some good news for us. A brand new video, and not just any video. This is something else. I want you to describe this video.
Hi mom, aka
Your mom knows who you are.
Yeah, but I was saying hi mom first.
You didn't put a full stop.
Yeah, but
You don't like it, do you? When people could stop you.
I talk fast, man. Come on, you need to.
So sit back, relax. Your boy El Fizzle's got you. It's the biggest. It's the dopest. It's the boy. Let's get it.